ओंकारं बिन्दुसंयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. Yogis meditate forever on Omkara associated with the Bindu. Salutation to the Omkara, the granter of wishes and salvation. We call on Thee, Lord of the hosts, the poet of poets, the most famous of all, the supreme King of spiritual knowledge. O Lord of spiritual wisdom, listen to us with Thy graces and reside in the place of sacrifice. Part 2. Intellectual and Artistic Qualities. Quality 7. Vividhat Bhuta Bhasha Vit, wonderful linguist. Vrajayuvatishu Shauri Shaurasenim Surendre Pranata Shirasi Saurim Bharati Matanoti Ahaha Pashushu Kire Shvapyapabhrang Sarupam Kathamajani Vidagdha Sarvabhashavalishu. How wonderful it is that Krishna, who owns the hearts of all the young girls of Vrajabhumi, can nicely speak the language of Vrajabhumi with the gopis, while in Sanskrit he speaks with the demigods, and in the language of the animals he can even speak with the cows and buffalo. Similarly, in the language of the Kashmir province, and with the parrots and other birds, as well as in most common languages, Krishna is so expressive. Quality 8. Satyavakya, truthful. Prithe tanaya panchakam prakatamarpayishyami te ranor varitamityabhut tava yatharthamevoditam Ravir bhavati sheetalah kumudabandhurapyushnalas tathapi namurantaka vyabhicharishnurukistava. Krishna once promised Kunti, the mother of the Pandavas, that he would bring her 5 sons back from the battlefield of Kurukshetra. After the battle was finished, when all the Pandavas had come home, Kunti praised Krishna because his promise was so nicely fulfilled. She said, "Even the sunshine may one day become cool and the moonshine one day become hot, but still your promise will not fail." Gudhopi veshena mahi surasya hariryathartham magadhendra muche Sangsrishtamabhyam saha pandavabhyam mang vidhi krishnam bhavatas sapatnam. When Krishna, along with Bhima and Arjuna, went to challenge Jarasandha, he plainly told Jarasandha that he was the eternal Krishna, present along with 2 of the Pandavas. Quality 9. Priyam Vada, pleasing talker. Kritavyalike pinakundalindra tvaya videya mayi dosha drishtihi pravasyamano sisurarchitanam paranghitaya dyagavankulasya. My dear king of the snakes, Kaliya, although I have given you so much pain, please do not be dissatisfied with me. It is my duty to protect these cows, which are worshipped even by the demigods. Only in order to save them from the danger of your presence have I been obliged to banish you from this place. Quality 10. Vavaduka, fluent. Ashlishta komala padavali manjulena Pratyaksharaksharadamanda sudharasena Sakya samasta janakarna rasayanena Naharikasya hridayam haribhashitena. Krishna was speaking to his father so politely and gently that it was as if he were pouring nectar into the ears of all present there. After hearing such sweet words from Krishna, who will not be attracted to him? Prativadi chitta parivritti patur jagadeka sanshaya vimardakari pramitaksharadya vividharthamayi harivagyam mamadhinoti dhiya. The words of Krishna are so attractive that they can immediately change the heart of even his opponent. His words can immediately solve all the questions and problems of the world. Although he does not speak very long, each and every word from his mouth contains volumes of meaning. These speeches of Krishna are very pleasing to my heart. Quality 11. Supanditya, highly learned. Yang sushtu purvam paricharya gauravat pita mahadyam udharaif pravartita krishnarnavankashya guru kshama bhritas tameva vidya saritah prapedire. In the beginning, Lord Brahma and others are like clouds of evaporated water from the great ocean of Krishna. In other words, Brahma first received the Vedic education from Krishna as the clouds receive water from the ocean. That Vedic education or instruction which was spoken by Brahma to the world was then reposed upon the mountain of Sandipani Muni. Sandipani Muni's instructions to Krishna are like a reservoir of water on the mountain, which flows as a river and goes again to mix with the source, the ocean of Krishna. Amnaya prathitanvaya smritimati badhang shadangojvala nyayena nugata purana suhrida मीमांसया मंडिता त्वां लब्धावसराचिराद् गुरुकुले प्रेक्ष्यस्व संगार्थिनं विद्यानामवधूश्चतुर्दश गुणा गोविन्द शुश्रूषते. My Lord Govinda, the goddess of learning, is decorated with 14 kinds of educational ornaments. Her intelligence is all-pervading within the 4 departments of the Vedas. Her attention is always on the law books given by great sages like Manu, and she is apparelled in 6 kinds of expert knowledge, namely Vedic evidence, grammar, astrology, rhetoric, vocabulary, and logic. Her constant friends are the supplements of the Vedas, the Puranas, and she is decorated with the final conclusion of all education. And now she has acquired an opportunity to sit with you as a class friend in school, and she is now engaged in your service. Mrityustaskaramandale sukritinam vrinde vasantanila Kandarporamaniषु durgatakule kalyankalpadrumaha indurbandhugane vipakshapatale kalagnirudrakriti shasti swasti dhurandharo madhupurim nitya madhunam patihi. Krishna is ruling over Vrindavana as death personified to the thieves, as pleasing bliss to the pious, as the most beautiful Cupid to the young girls, and as the most munificent personality to the poor men. He is as refreshing as the full moon to his friends, and to his opponents he is the annihilating fire generated from Lord Shiva. Quality 12. Buddhiman, highly intelligent. Avanti puravasinas sadanametya sandipaner guror jagati darshayan samayamatra vidyarthinam Sakrannigadamatratas sakalameva vidyakulam dadhau hridayamandire kimapi chitravan madhavaha. After coming to the home of Sandipani Muni, who was residing in Avanti, Madhava revealed to the world the true duty of students. From but a single utterance, he placed the entire treasury of knowledge into the temple of his heart in a manner wondrous and unmatched. Yadubhirayamavadhyo mlechaраjastadenam taralatamasi tasmin vidravanneva neshye sukhamaya nijanidra bhanjanadvangsi drishtir jharamuchi muchukundah Kandare yatra shete. Krishna thought, this Mlecha king is invulnerable to the Yadus. Therefore, I shall drive him away into that wavering darkness and lead him to the place where Muchukunda lies resting within a mountain cave. He will destroy anyone who disturbs his sleep by his mere glance. Quality 13. Pratibhanvita, genius. Vasasam pratikeshavakva bhavato mugdhe kshane nanvidam Vasam bruhi shatha prakama subhage tvadgatra sangsargataha Yaminya mushitah kvadhurta vitanur mushnati kinyamini Tyevango pavadhung chalaif parihasan Krishnashchirang patuvaha. One morning, when Krishna came to Radha, Radha asked him, My dear Keshava, where is your Vasa at present? The Sanskrit word Vasa has three meanings. One meaning is residence, one meaning is fragrance, and another meaning is dress. Actually, Radharani inquired from Krishna, Where is your dress? But Krishna took the meaning as residence, and he replied to Radharani, My dear captivated one, at the present moment my residence is in your beautiful eyes. To this Radharani replied, My dear cunning boy, I did not ask you about your residence, I inquired about your dress. Krishna then took the meaning of Vasa as fragrance and said, My dear fortunate one, I have just assumed this fragrance in order to be associated with your body. Srimati Radharani again inquired from Krishna, Where did you pass your night? The exact Sanskrit word used in this connection was Yaminya Mushita. Yaminyam means at night, and Ushita means pass. Krishna, however, divided the word Yaminya Mushita into two separate words, namely Yaminya and Mushita. By dividing this word into two, it came out to mean that he was kidnapped by Yamini, or night. Krishna therefore replied to Radharani, My dear Radharani, is it possible that night can kidnap me? Quality 14. Vidagdha, artistic. Geetam gumphati tandavang ghatayati Brute praheli kramam Venung vadayate srajang virachayat Tyalekhyam abhyasyati Nirmati swayam indrajala pataling Dyute jayatyunmadan Pashyodnama kalavilasa vasatir Chitrang harih kridati. Radharani says, My dear friend, just see how Krishna has nicely composed songs, and how he dances and speaks funny words and plays on his flute, wearing such nice garlands. He has dressed himself in such an enchanting way as though he had defeated all kinds of players at the chessboard. He lives wonderfully at the topmost height of artistic craftsmanship. Quality 15. Chatura, clever. Paravati virachanena gavankalapam Gopanganaganamapangatarangitena Mitrani chitratara sangara vikramena Dhinvannarishta bhayadena harirvireje. One of the gopis said, "My dear friends, just see the clever activities of Shri Krishna. He has composed nice songs about the cowherd boys and is pleasing the cows. By the movement of his eyes, he is pleasing the gopis, and at the same time, he is fighting with demons like Arishtasura. In this way, he is sitting with different living entities in different ways, and he is thoroughly enjoying the situation." Quality 16. Daksha, expert. Yani yodhai prayuktani shastrastrani kurudvaha haristanyachinattikshnai sharairekaikashastribhi. Shukadeva Goswami tells Maharaja Parikshit, "O best of the Kurus, Shri Krishna cut to pieces all the different weapons used by different fighters. Aghahara kuru yugmi bhuya nrityam mayaiva tvamiti nikhila gopi prarthana purti kamaha atanuta gati lila laghavorming tathasao dadrishuradhikametas tanyatha swasvaparshve." At the rasa dance, each and every gopi requested that Krishna individually become her partner, and Krishna immediately expanded himself into so many Krishnas in order to be coupled with each and every gopi. The result was that each gopi found Krishna by her side. Quality 17. Kritajna, grateful. Riname tat pravriddham me hridayannapasarpati yad govindeti chukrosha krishnamang duravasinam. Krishna says, "When I was away from Draupadi, she cried with the words, 'Hey Govinda!' This call for me has put me in her debt, and that indebtedness is gradually increasing in my heart. Anugati mati purvam chintayan rikshamauler akuruta bahumanam shauriradaya kanyam kathamapi kritamalpam vismarenaiva sadhu kimuta sakhalu sadhu Shreni Chudagraratnam." When the Lord was present as Lord Ramachandra, Jambavan, the great king of the monkeys, rendered very faithful service to him. When the Lord again appeared as Lord Krishna, he married Jambavan's daughter and paid him all the respect that is usually given to superiors. Any honest person is obliged to his friend if some service has been rendered unto him. Since Krishna is the supreme honest personality, how can he forget an obligation to his servitor? Quality 18. Sudridha Vrata, determined. Na deva gandharva gana na rakshasa na cha asura naiva cha yakshapannaga mama pratignyam apahantu mudyata Mune samarthah khalu satyamastute. Krishna told Narada Muni, "My dear great sage of the demigods, now you can declare to the devotees in general and to the non-devotees in particular that in this matter of taking the Parijata flower, all the demigods, the Gandharvas, the Nagas, the demon Rakshasas, the Yakshas, the Pannagas, tried to defeat me, but none could make me break my promise to my queen. Sakhela Makhandala Panduputrao vidhayakang sariraparijato Nija pratignyang saphalang dadhana Satyang cha krishnang cha sukhamakharshit. Krishna showed how he fulfills his promise by delivering the Parijata flower to Satyabhama, by saving Draupadi from being insulted, and by freeing Arjuna from the attacks of all enemies. Gireruddharanam Krishna dushkaram karma kurvata madbhaktasyan dukhiti svavratang vivratang tvaya. Indra said, by your lifting Govardhana hill and protecting the citizens of Vrindavana, you have kept your promise that your devotees are never to be vanquished. Quality 19. Deshakala Supatrajna, expert judge of time and circumstances. Sharajyotsna tulyah kathamapi paro nasti samayas trilokyama kridah kvachidapi na vrindavana samaha nakapyam bhojakshi vrajayuvati kalpeti vimrushan mano me sotkantham muhurajanirasotsavarase. Krishna said, the most opportune time is the full moon night in autumn, like tonight. The best place within the universe is Vrindavan, and the most beautiful girls are the gopis. So, my dear friend Uddhava, I think I should now take advantage of all these circumstances and engage myself in the rasa dance. Quality 20. Shastra Chakshu, seer by the authority of the scriptures. Abhut kangsaripur netram shastramevartha drishtaye netram bhujang tu yuvati vrindon madaya kevalam. Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa, is known as the seer through the Shastras. In order to establish his authority, however, he is now engaged in seeing the gopis, whereby the gopis are becoming maddened.